Yes, welcome to Blue Stars High Secondary School students. This is the class for 7th standard social science class. Our topic is environment. The last class you used to see the biosphere, atmosphere and lithosphere. Okay. Now next we are going to see the plants and animals depend on each other. Yes. The plants and animals depend on each other. What are the ways we are going to see? Yes, the plants provide food to animals. The plants provide food to animals. They provide shelter to wildlife in the form of forest. They provide shelter to wildlife in the form of forest. Okay. Next point is the animals provide manure to plants for growth. Animals provide manure to plants for growth. Dead animals also provide humus content. Dead animals also provide humus content. Wildlife adds beauty to the forest. Wildlife adds beauty to the forest. Yes. Shall we see the point again how the plants and animals depend on each other? Yes, plants provide food to animals. They provide shelter to wildlife in the form of forest. Animals provide manure to plants for growth. Then dead animals also provide humus content. Then wildlife adds beauty to the forest. Now we are going to see the important point that man modifies his environment. Our nature, our environment provides many things for us, but man only needs some modifies, okay, because of his comfortable life. Yes, what are they? Now we are going to see. Man modifies his environment. The first point is he cuts forest and clears land for agriculture, industries and habitation. He cuts forest and clears land for agriculture, industries and habitation. He uses land to build buildings, roads and railways. He uses a land to build buildings, roads and railways. He uses water. He uses air for his survival. He uses water, he uses air for his survival. The last one is he sets up industries, factories, etc. Then he does numerous other activities for his life, making it comfortable. So this is the points for man modifies his environment. Shall I go through it again? First one, he cuts forest and clears the land for what? For agriculture, industries and habitation. He uses lands to build buildings, roads and railways. He uses water, he uses air for his survival. He sets up industries, factories, etc. He does numerous other activities for his life, making it comfortable. Yes. Next we are going to see the one mark part of our related topic. This is the D words part 2. Now I am going to read the D words. There are 15 D words are there. Yes. First one, hydrosphere, gravitational force, abiotic, atmosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, environment, surrounding, components, creations, living organism, construction, ecosystem, modifies, dependent. Children, while you are going to read and write the D words, you have to read with spelling. Can I read it again? Yes. Hydrosphere, gravitational force, abiotic, atmosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, environment, surrounding, components, creations, living organism, construction, ecosystem, modifies, dependent. These are the D words part to you. Okay, yes. Now we are going to see the meanings. There are 5 meanings are there. Yes, first one, biotic, related to organism, plants and animals. This is nothing but living things. Biotic, related to organism, plants and animals. Abiotic, related to non-living things. Abiotic, related to non-living things. Environment, the surroundings in which one lives. Environment, the surrounding in which one lives. Atmosphere, air. Atmosphere, air. Last one, community, group of people. Community, group of people. These are the meanings part to you. In this class, you are going to do the assignment. You have to read the 1 mark part. Okay, D words, meanings and fill-ups and matches are there. Yes. Next, we are going to see our fill in the blanks part. Yes. First one, hydrosphere is a part of biosphere. Here, biosphere is the answer. First one, now I am going to read it again. Hydrosphere is a part of dash. Answer is biosphere. Next one. The 2 main constituents of environment are natural and dash. Answer is man-made. The 2 main constituents of environment are natural and man-made. Now the third one. Dash modify the natural environment. Answer is human beings. Human beings modify the natural environment. Fourth one, dash is the hard top layer of the earth. Lithosphere is the hard top layer of the earth. Answer is lithosphere. Now the fifth one. Gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. Answer is gravitational. Dash force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. Gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. Now we are going to see the last part of 1 mark, that is match the following. Yes. Land, abiotic. Animals, plants, biotic. Mountains, plateaus and plains, lithosphere. Gases and water vapor, atmosphere. Gases and water vapor, atmosphere. These are the master following part to you. Then land, abiotic, animals and plants, biotic, mountains, plateau and plains, lithosphere. Then gases, water vapor is the answer, atmosphere. Yes. Shall we see the points? In previous classes, what are we say? Yes. Then domains of the environment. Yes. What are they? There are 3 parts are there. Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Lithosphere is the solid portion of the earth. It provides us forest, grasslands, land and agriculture and human settlements. It is made up of rocks and minerals. Now, hydrosphere refers to water bodies like rivers, lakes and seas. It is essential for all living organisms. Then the atmosphere is the thin layer of the air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. Then the biosphere links the 3 rims of earth with each other to support the life. Plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere. Then the ecosystem, it is the system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with physical and chemical factors of the environment in which they live, all linked by transfer of energy and material. So, Environment is very important for us. Yes, you know, so we have to save our environment for our future. Okay, let us see the next class, children. Thank you.